Hey there, welcome to BrickBunchUSA, and today we're going to show you how to build a minifigure scale ATM. We've already got all the parts that you need to build it laid out in front of you, so you can hit pause on the video, run to your LEGO collection, grab all the bits, and then run back and hit play. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to build our money dispenser. Going to take a handful of parts, put them together like so. Then we're going to take our 1x1 tile and our 1x1 plate, stick them together, place them in that little notch that we created. Then we're going to take a 2x3 plate, stick it on top. So for our display, we're going to place a 1x2 tile, a few 1x2 bricks, like so. We're going to do a little magic working. Take two 1x2 plates, stick them in there, and then this cool little piece, we're going to stick that to level all that out, and then attach our screen to that. And you may notice that it's flush down there. We just take our remaining bricks, our 2x3 and our 2 tiles, and stick them on top. Thank you for watching BrickBunchUSA. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.